my attention was drawn to that woman, that fair woman, when say she did UK, when they do presenter. Madam, you know, say you don't they look for my trouble for years. I won't give you the attention that you want. Your time will come. Karma must catch up with you. Bet. Your karma. Ah, yeah. Your karma will take you straight to depression. You know, normal again. You know why? Because you fight people that did not look for your trouble. This matter, I will just mention her name. Make she know say na she, Monica. I'll mention your name because you've been mentioning my name on your page and people are tagging me. People are tagging me. Ebony, stop it. This commenters are not keep person. Okay, Monica. I will not banter words with you. You know, I never come out for you once. Come talk to you, no. Do you know why? I don't like you. I don't like you. I don't like what you represent. I don't like the way you are. Now, let's take this Monica woman as an example. She be her best friend and her, they are worst enemies, right? So, why they never settle? Monica, you be needle. You dey look person as you're open for ground. I don't have your time. Do you know why I will not answer you? When you were writing about me yesterday, your video came to my WhatsApp where you almost collapsed during location. I say location during your live broadcast. As you they talk, they vibrate. You know, you're so classless. Lack of exposure. You know, so you know, go school. So I can understand. You were if your live video now you were struggling for your life. What if you had died that day? It doesn't make sense, madam. And if you make with vacuum, Lubie, when I'm young, job be me. Why gave me you? Why gave me a good so why gave me you? It doesn't make sense. If you like, Mona, I want her to Mona screen record this part. Mona send and give her. I want you to see it. Larry, madam, I know they fear you. Umase. My work at stage 1-on-1 igwe. Or will be me, I'll beat you. 1-on-1 fight, I will beat you. So I no get your time. You see this karma, it's a bitch. It will get to you. All these things you are doing, you know they pity the future of your children. You feel say, if you take care of them. Or you don't offend people. You can't go they beg me your own children good. No, now. It doesn't work that way. You know, this life, no, they fear now. Not they reason this life deep. I they reason life so deep. Now make I they careful. Because you were on life that day. You drink water, you they struggle, you they stagger. You put your head down. You want off live. You know if off live video. No, I got issue. I say just like that. No, now. You don't do that. So after this live stream, I don't even they see your page. I don't go tag me to your page, say you they tag me. The person go pass out for your life. I don't want to see you. You are classless. So there's a lady I was watching, I think Madam Rita, it's one pretty lady. She gets round face, very fine lady. I don't know that she don't first saga me before. Me, I know they listen to what they do. But yesterday, my attention was drawn to her page. The way she was talking, I was laughing. It was funny. And she's beautiful. She did comport herself. She did talk very calmly. But Monica, yeah. Don't buy because of your Facebook. Madam, Kerewa now, you mustn't do all that. Attack people when they offend you. That's when you no go. That's when your children no go collect from all these things where they do. Umanaria bomb anagbo, manaria bosalo boy. I don't bite you. We bogaria bomb anagbo. We ga le ba imon we vio hiamo. Una no they think of una future at all. Anyway, we live video can't you your ma. We are egbe de one on. There's a level your children will get to. You don't know that. You just say, you don't have anything to say about me. My marry, my beer, ashawo, ashawo, my beer, my marry. Those are the only things you guys keep saying about me on social media. Nothing more. Nothing more. I'm single. But why so you don't want the way you skinner? Why am I single girl? Why shall we no rogo the way here? So does it make one sense to you? I saw your children's picture. I shook my head. Where my sister? Don't they do all those things? I don't care how you saga people. No, they saga people when you don't look for your trouble. If person look for your trouble, saga the person. It's quite okay. Since only we are here, you say now what you they do for a living. It's fine. Saga people will wrong you. Some saga they sweet. Some saga sweet. But your own, again, you say they do your own. You know they make sense. Like, they make sense. To be honest, I don't know. No, I'm not talking to Rita. Oh. I'm talking to Monica. Now, Monica and I say they do gaga. Rita, they comport. I love that woman. That Madam Rita, I don't even mind coming in contact with her. She comports herself. If I say that woman, they work. Not be social media saga, she say they chop. Yes. I need that woman number. Who get Madam Rita number? I need to call her, just congratulate her. The way she say they talk, the way she say they behave, the way those are the kind of people that will come online. She's angry. She they talk with you, but she they come in. But Monica, Azoki. Now you they scream that the way you almost pass out. God. Jesus. That woman is funny. Hey, wait. Hey, oh, wait, I'm coming back. She just a go ground. I was scared for my life when I watched it yesterday. I said, Jesus Christ. Hey, Monica, I work with me. Igwe Facebook. I bet train your children, my sister. The map model no subwe. Just take my name off your mouth, please. They don't send me Mrs. Rita. Hey. I don't see that Madam Rita. Hey. They don't send me Madam Rita number. I will call her. Now she be this. Yes, this is the woman. Oh, no, be she there.